Yeah, from the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more bucks.
I'm a clinical engineer who writes machine learning source code as hobby. Here's the Python source code I'm gonna show you today. This time in def and make based line function. Before getting started with belief for survival, we want to product efficient and regulation program. And we want to know the RMSE or MAE. Way to do this is that form and the number of it should return this source code. We will use the panda state frame and return empty number. Put in number of the column. It will return here the specific count the number column, create the number for it, calculate the number. Return pandas index by the calculated value. By the way, 3 of those place here.
Yeah, from the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more butts.